So I just want to show you this mess. Is like, this been kind of the way it's been. And I cleaned up pretty much last night the best that I could, because I hate a messy craft room. I printed out tickets last night. Oh my God, I have a mess. All my onesies that I got, guys, it's a mess. So after the holidays, I'll come in here, hopefully get everything together. Look at it, I have another Cricut machine set up in my living room. Guys, don't mind the mess in this foyer. I've been dying to know what the heck is in this box. That's what I want to know. What's in this box? It was delivered, it's been there. I keep thinking it's for me. I don't know. Maybe it isn't. But I'm dying to know. You know what I think of when I see this box? And let me know in comments below if you thought the same thing. I thought of my favorite movie, A Christmas Story, when he receives the leg in the crate, and then he says, oh, fragile or something like that. It must be Italian. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna let you guys know what it is after Christmas, and if it was even for me, because I don't know. I know that one of the younger kids purchased it. I believe it was Spooty. That's the only thing I know. So stay tuned, guys. Yep, this is what it's looking like. All right, guys, time to get to work. Hi guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I hate that thing. I need to actually rip this off. I really need to get that thing down. We have put this up to try to keep it warmer in here at one point, but it's falling apart. So these are the panties. Aren't they cute? So that actually goes on the back of the underwear. It's like a boy, kind of a boy short. Is that how you say? Boy short panty. So this is the panty. This is the top. So normally I sell black on black, white on white sets, but this customer asked for a white top and then the black panties. All right, so let me pack this up. This is the last day to get the rest of my orders out. And I just realized this is probably going to be the 5th or 6th video that I will be posting up on this YouTube channel. So some of you may be new, and when I'm making the videos on this channel, I keep thinking in my mind that it's for my other YouTube channel, because I do have another YouTube channel, which I do a lot of vlogging and mostly like cooking tutorials and cook with me. So I decided to open a separate channel, because I used to do some of the same things I do here on that channel. So you can go check that channel out. I'll link the channel up here and I'll pin it in comments, and that's called Crafting Cooking Isa Song, which I'm in the process of changing that. I've been in the handmade business now for a little over 5 years, and I have an online boutique which is called Dulce Couture.com, as well as an Etsy shop. I really started to get into Etsy now this last year, because I have been more focused on getting La Dulce Couture you know, up and going. And any of you that have an online or e-commerce store should know that to get people to trust your store, your brand, your name is hard, right? Because nobody wants to make a purchase and not receive their merchandise, you know, and not really knowing if you're a legit site or not. So I recently started doing Etsy. To make some extra money because I'm converting my online store into strictly selling boutique clothes and boutique items. Then I'm just going to continue my handmade business on Etsy. So that is my plan. We just recently purchased a home, recently meaning like 4 weeks ago in Puerto Rico, which we are going to be knocking half of the house down, anything that's wood, and rebuilding. So we have 2 properties on the house. One house is done, and we're going to be doing the main house, which is going to be the house where Paul and I will be living. The other one's for my 2 oldest kids. I have a 26-year-old and a 24-year-old, and maybe by then my soon-to-be 18-year-old will want to stay with them, who knows. But I decided to split the channels. Let me get it back. So I just decided to keep this one strictly teaching people how I grew business-wise. I also started, helped my husband start our courier business. So you'll see the videos of the trucks. Those are our trucks that we have. So I started him with that. You know, I had selling experience from my previous jobs. I used to run a finance office for a furniture company, and the salesman motivated them to make sales. So so that's where I get my selling and retail experience from. I actually utilize those skills to help my husband build a successful courier business. And now that that's, you know, up and going and he's pretty much doing everything himself, now I've been, for this last year, focusing on my business and the boutique and the next level that I'm trying to get it to. So those are things that I'm going to be sharing here on this channel. You guys will be with me throughout the journey. Like I said, I invested so much money into the handmade business. After the holidays, I plan to do a room tour, craft room tour. And so I'm not ready to let that go right now. Once we make the move to Puerto Rico, I'm still gonna continue to keep doing what I'm doing. But that's not happening anytime soon. So right now, we need to get the house together and rebuild it and stuff like that. If you guys are interested in those videos, it'll be on my other channel, and make sure you go check it out at Crafting Cooking Isa. Good morning, everyone. The light, and happy Tuesday. Oh my God. So you guys seen last night, this room was looking crazy. When I mean crazy. So I stood up yesterday and I cleaned and I organized. So this morning I'm just starting to, I had a box here of just like last minute things I had to order because I don't like to be without, I can't be without supplies because I ship from 1 to 3 days. So I'm just taking out all the odds and ends as they were coming in. I was opening the bags and dumping them there. So now I'm just dividing everything where it needs to go here and put everything in here. So last night I had Gigi help me put all the onesies where they needed to go. So these are all my long sleeve onesies here. And then here is all of my short sleeve onesies. So that was the pile of onesies that was on the floor. And then I have socks and bibs, but I'm running out of room to put them in. Before it was all right because I would get a few orders here and there, but now that I'm getting more orders, I need more supplies, so now they don't fit in those little bins. I'm thinking of getting something like this, the small ones, and then I can put one for the hats, the booties, the socks, the bib, the burp cloth, stuff like that. But this rack here, it was back in that tumbler area. That's where I used to keep, and then whenever I work on tumblers, I slide it in and out. But I decided to keep it here because a lot of times I have incomplete orders. As you see the aprons here on the side, all those are waiting for glitter vinyl so I can add the word Sazon to it. So as I'm finishing orders, whether they need to be packed or they're missing items, I can hang them here, because normally what I do is that I pile them up here, like here. That's the mess one. I gotta add the orange part to it. So that's what I normally do. So I figure it's just easier if I just put everything here.